To redeem Expedia points, start by going to expedia.com and logging into your profile. If you haven't registered yet, take a moment to do so. Once logged in, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including a language changer, a place to book properties, and access to support for trips. Your profile information is located in the top right corner. The middle of the screen features a search bar where you can look for activities, such as hotel stays. To redeem points, first, check your account details to see how many points you have available by clicking on your profile in the top right corner and then selecting Account. Next, use the search bar to find something you'd like to book, such as a hotel stay. Once you've found a suitable option, proceed to book it and look for the option to use your points instead of paying with money during the checkout process. Be sure to confirm your booking to ensure your points have been deducted correctly. Following these steps will allow you to successfully redeem your Expedia points.